Hi, for this presentation, I'll be talking about two online courses platforms and their significance in the social programs of the Ateneo de Manila University. I am Janos Chua, a fifth-year chemistry MSc student. First off is EDX. It is a massive open online course provider where it offers a multitude of free courses available to anyone who has access to internet. It first started as a collaboration between MIT and Harvard scientists, but has now grown to host courses from top universities all over the world. The courses EDX offers cover a wide array of topics ranging from sciences, math, art and culture, design, humanities, and a lot more. Some allow you to earn instructor signed certificates with the institution's logo to verify your achievement. Others even allow you to receive academic credits. They also have programs for specific subject areas and courses on practical skills important in a number of professions that you can take. All you need to do is register and find a course that piques your interest. Next is education at USGBC, or the US Green Building Council. While they also offer online courses, unlike the EDX, most of the courses offered here are not free. You may either subscribe to Education at USGBC to have an unlimited access to a multitude of courses for a year or pay in a per-course basis. Also, unlike EDX, where it was founded by educational institutions and offers courses in multiple topics, education at USGBC focuses on green building, design, and construction, which I believe has a growing importance in our society today. Looking at both platforms, online courses can improve the social program in a lot of ways. It adds flexibility to the program by offering courses that may not be offered by the school. It is also more accessible to students as it can be done using one's free time and does not require a classroom. The topics offered in online courses are also more specific than those offered in schools, and one can learn more about a certain topic in depth without having to take an entire advanced subject. As it is an online platform, the resources available is not limited to the Philippines, and students can access what other institutions all over the world can offer. That's all, and thank you for listening.